Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll walk you through the manual setup of your TP-Link B11000 Wi-Fi 7 range extender to ensure optimal performance. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, or PC, we'll provide detailed, step-by-step instructions to help you get connected quickly and easily. Let's begin. Inside the package, you will find everything needed for setup: the TP-Link B11000 Wi-Fi 7 range extender, a power adapter for reliable operation, an Ethernet cable for wired connections, and a quick start guide to assist you with the installation process. Now, plug it into a power outlet and wait for the power LED to turn solid. Place it where it can receive a strong signal from your main router, ideally midway between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Next, open the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone, laptop, or PC. Look for a network name similar to TP-Link_Extender_XXXX in the available networks list and select it. At this stage, no password is required, allowing you to connect directly for the initial setup process. After connecting, launch a web browser such as Chrome, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar, enter 192.168.0.254 and press Enter. This will direct you to the TP-Link Extender's login page, where you can begin the setup process. On the login page, enter the default credentials provided in your Quick Start Guide. If this is your first time logging in, you may be prompted to create a new administrator password. Choose a strong, secure password, confirm it. The setup wizard will now launch automatically, scanning for available Wi-Fi networks in your area. From the list of detected networks, select your main Wi-Fi network that you want to extend. Once selected, click Next to proceed with the configuration process. Once connected, you'll be presented with two options: extend using the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, as your router for seamless roaming, or create a separate extended network with a unique name for better control. Select the option that best fits your needs, and click Next to proceed. To ensure optimal performance, walk around your home and check the Wi-Fi signal strength in different areas. If you notice weak spots, try repositioning the extender to a more central location where it receives a strong signal from the router, maximizing coverage and stability. If you experience any issues or need assistance, our team of expert professionals is ready to help. Feel free to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713. And we'll ensure a smooth setup process for you. Congratulations! Your TP-Link B11000 Wi-Fi 7 range extender is now successfully set up and enhancing your Wi-Fi coverage. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.